Let's join me in welcoming a warrior for America's children, RFK Jr.
When my uncle was president in the 1960s, we had the healthiest people in the world. 3% of American kids had chronic disease. Today, it's around 60%. This is existential for our country, and we have to address it.
Secretary Kennedy has said that he would instruct the FDA to examine concerning ingredients in the nation's food supply, and today we are delivering on that promise. Today, the FDA is taking action to remove petroleum-based food dyes from the U.S. food supply and from medications. Today's announcement fulfills the administration's promise to use both gold standard science and common sense.
I want to commend food companies for working with us to achieve this agreement. And I want to thank the moms and thank President Trump for his confidence in my leadership and for allowing me to surround myself with such an extraordinary team of scientists. We are going to win this battle. And 4 years from now, we're going to have most of these products off the market, or you will know about them when you go in the grocery store. Thank you all very much.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.